We are doing lessons MS Word second, and yesterday I told you about the margin and the alignment. Today let us start. Firstly, spelling checking. Suppose you are typing the text in the MS Word and a wavy red line comes under the text. As you are seeing, one word it is here and it is having the red underline. It means that it is the spelling mistake. So how you can correct it? If you want to correct it, bring the cursor upon it and press the right arrow key of the mouse. A pop-up menu will come to you as you are looking here on the screen. It will show you the suggestions. Whatever the suggestion you want to select, you can select. That word will be replaced by the wavy word. One more way to checking the spelling. Suppose you want to check the word, that particular word is wrong or not wrong. You have to go to review tab. As you are looking, the review tab is selected. Under the review tab, first one button is spelling and grammar. You have to select it. This dialog box will come to you and it will show you that the particular word is having spelling mistake, and below it will show you the suggestions. The suggestions may be one or more than one options, and whatever the option you want to select it, you can select it for replacing it. After selecting the option, you can see buttons are here: change, ignore once. If you want to change this word with the suggestion, you can change it by clicking on the change button, and if you don't want to change it, ignore once. Next one, inserting the symbol. Sometimes you don't find the some particular symbol on the keyboard. For example, the division symbol you don't find on the keyboard, or some special symbols are also you don't find on the keyboard and you want to insert them. Then go to the insert tab and click on the symbol. A lot of symbol you find there. Whatever you want to insert, click on that and insert button. Inserting borders. You can insert border to your page or to the paragraph also. You can see here borders are given: box, shadow, 3D, and you can change the color also, width also, and here is one option, apply to paragraph, and you can see one tab is also here, page border, and style is also given here for the border. It may be dotted, straight line, and width also given for the line of the border. Next one, printing the page. You want to print the page. you have to go to the file tab and click on the print option will come to you. You can change the setting of the print, means the page setting. Page setup is here. For changing the page setup, you have to go to the page layout. From here you can change the orientation of the page. You can take the page as the portrait or the landscape, and you can see preview is also showing, and on the top it is given the margin, top margin, left margin, right margin also, which I told you in the last video also. So dear students, if you face any problem, you can contact me on the WhatsApp. Thank you.